Baby, good morning, baby. Oh, it's afternoon, baby. Baby, be safe there inside the tummy, ha, baby? Daddy is always here. You know that, baby.
Tapos lagi na
Don't talk to those people who is not going to speak in English, baby. Okay?
Yan. Ang heartbeat kasi ni baby is 120 to 160. Okay. Kay mommy, 60 to 100. So, halos doble. Lumikot! Ayan! Ayan, yung tiyan niya. Gutom na siya.
Yung tiyan pa na.
Lumikot, lumikat.
Gusto ko yung translate. Dire-diretso talaga yun.
Kasi kitang-kita siya. Kaya pinapasok natin to si sir kasi hindi niya na-experience yun.
Nakita ko pa mismo na yung heart niya.
Nag-ano. Stop it ka.
Kanina, pagkaano pa lang nadugo.
Ayan. Siya din yan. Congratulations.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Thank you, Doc. Baby, good morning, baby. Oh, it's afternoon, baby. Baby, be safe there inside the tummy, ha, baby? Daddy is always here. You know that, baby.
Tapos lagi na
Don't talk to those people who is not going to speak in English, baby. Okay? Like Kisha Helin and Trey Harris Valdez.
Oh, nag-Tagalog ka rin mo, Ninong.
Baby, always remember, baby.
Always remember,
Yeah.
Tagalog.
I will also massage you every day. Okay? What do you want, baby? Lola is there cooking something. Oh? Eh.
Always remember, Daddy.
I will hug you, baby. And welcome to my YouTube channel.
Singkelin.
Single man.
Hi.
Hi, and welcome to my... Baby, you will be a YouTuber once you born, ha?
Oo.
So, we will going to teach you on how to be fluent in English and not talking in Tagalog, ha, baby?
Eh, saan mo pa papasukin? Sa English school?
Eh, this is
English school.
Oo.
sorry.
Ay, Englishera yung kapal. Englishera yung
Baby.
Sa ano? Saan ba yun? Sa
Baby is already 12 days and 3, 12 weeks and 3
lang
days.
ikay.
Hi.
Baby.
Pala. Si, pakilala ka. Pakilala kami.
We are sleeping already.
Kisha.
Kisha.
This is my
Kisha.
baby.
Kisha. Ikaw, Mika, ano pangalan mo?
So, if you want guys to give a name of our baby, girl or boy, just comment below. And if you are just new to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button to get the latest upload. And once again, this is ChrisTyanValdez. Thank you so much for watching. And
Eto
our
po.
baby. Bye!
Yung
Ito yung ano, pin